So the Air Force has always been a leader in innovation, and the Rapid Sustainment Office is a relatively new organization, about 5 years old, really focused on accelerating delivery of sustainment technologies to really increase operational readiness and reduce sustainment costs. I'm Jimmy Lawrence, the Deputy Program Executive Officer for the Rapid Sustainment Office, headquartered out of Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Ohio. And welcome to Lifecycle Industry Day. So really the purpose of the RSO as a relatively new organization is really focused on the technologies that industry can help us with. Our purpose is to accelerate the delivery of critical operational solutions to the Department of the Air Force Sustainment Enterprise. Our mission, optimize the warfighter readiness by exploiting technologies to revolutionize sustainment operations. How do we do that? By getting after the use of commercial technology that our industry partners bring forward, and how can we apply military utility to those technologies to accelerate them to the field to help out our warfighters. And really our vision as a relatively new organization and where we want to get to is to be that preeminent DoD solutionist that really challenge the mindsets, push the boundaries of innovation, and generate concepts to solve the problems at the speed of user need, which is very relevant to where we are today. So as you can see, we're based on an agile principle and a short chain of command, as you can see in the chart here with our leadership. But this allows us to be uniquely postured to really carry out this mission with speed with that short chain of command. So the RSO is also supporting Secretary Kendall's operational imperatives that everyone's aware of today. Really, Operational Imperative 5, or the Agile Combat Employment, and OI 7, the readiness for us to transition to a wartime posture, is really where the RSO is centered, but that doesn't limit us from supporting all the OIs. When you look at what we're doing in rapid and austere environments and the kind of the technologies we're getting at, we really want to be able to deploy quickly with small footprints where there may be no infrastructure there. And that's a little bit of what I'm going to talk to you about, how industry can help us as well. Currently today, we're structured around 6 technology focus areas: artificial intelligence and machine learning, advanced manufacturing, automation robotics, augmented and virtual reality, also known as XR, rapid and austere maintenance environments, and then data and digital environments. So a little bit about what we're looking for and how industry can help us. We're currently partnered with a significant number of companies in Ohio, but also across the globe. A lot of small businesses, some large businesses, and we have a number of tools that help us collaborate in partnership with those local communities and those small businesses. We have the Small Business Innovation Research Fund Authority to go execute those small business contracts. We also have commercial solution openings where we take commercial solutions in innovative ways and look to actually migrate those out to the field as fastly as we can with that military utility. We have the ability to do prototypes with other transaction authority and then traditional contract types as well. So where can industry actually help us today in these areas, these tech focus areas that we have? If you start with AI and ML, where it's actually a really growing field and everyone's kind of seeing today, AI and ML is here to stay. There's a lot of use cases for it, but how can we actually employ that across the maintenance and logistics community to increase our operational readiness? Advanced manufacturing, we have a significant amount of polymer and metal printers right now, but we're always looking for new machines, new technologies, those types of materials that can actually go in there to reduce the reliance on the supply chain. So where are those types of technologies in there? As part of that, we have cold spray, which is a battle damage repair type of capability. How can we use those mobile and deployable footprints, cold spray and directed energy disposition to actually get after some of the problems downrange or in these austere environments, but also back at home station? So those types of technologies. Automation robotics, we're looking to optimize the workforce and take some of those labor-intensive use cases out so we can increase our efficiency and put our resources on the more critical problems that we can actually offload off of automation robotics. We're leading the way in that for the Air Force in a number of ways, and we're always interested in those types of capabilities. Augmented virtual reality, if you look at another operational imperative, multi-capable airmen, how can we leverage XR capabilities to get training applications to increase the efficiency of our warfighters to be able to handle those challenges of tomorrow? Rapid austere environments, very critical to the ACE concept and where we're really at. If you look at what we're doing on how can we deploy quickly, the size of the footprints, whether it's support equipment, rugged alternative power solutions such as green technologies when there is no grid available, the ruggedized equipment in the AM space of the printers and things of that nature. And then also when you look at data digital environments, how do we do connectivity at the edge? When you get out there and you need comms all the time, how can we actually increase that? We are also looking at digital applications that kind of streamline the maintenance and logistics capabilities that can be quickly integrated to a hub and spoke approach using an application programming or API interface. So that's a lot of the technologies that we're kind of focused on now. And if industry has those types of technologies, I'm really looking forward to talking to you. You can visit us at booth 424 and I'll be walking around. So please come see us or find us at our social media pages or the QRC code located on the screen, and have a great day.